Welcome everyone, it is the Phantom Explorer, and today we bring you into his air raid shelter slash tunnel. So yeah, I'm joined by Explorer Shader back here in front with me.
Right guys,
I'm going to check him out.
I'm just going to take your photos.
He's taking his photos, and we've noticed guys there's a lot of arrows on these walls, and hopefully it's going to take us somewhere exciting. So yeah, it's dangerous down here because obviously you've got all of these stones. But yeah, it's amazing down here. So yeah, got some ladders here.
They'll lead to nowhere.
Yeah, the ladder to nowhere. To show you guys, just literally nothing up there whatsoever. Just like old-fashioned grids, which don't explain where they come from actually. So yeah, I'll post some of the history about this in the description. So feel free to go and have a look at it. Got an old-fashioned bin there. So I'd say turn right and duck. Well, we just came from the right and we didn't see anything. Number 2. I wonder what number 2 means. But yeah, we'll make our way down. But yeah.
That's the flooding one.
Oh wow. So yeah, if you've got your swimming kits, definitely go down there.
The waterproof, so I've got my boots on, but
Yeah. No worth it, you don't know what's underneath it, do you? So yeah, a lot of condensation on the roof. And whoever been downstairs guys, it is quite warm actually. Obviously you've got the bin over there, you got the broken grid here. Water trickling down there, probably from the grass above us. Looks like an old car park or something, that does actually. Sorry about the reflection guys, I have got my head torch. There you go, so 3. Turn right and duck 3. So, all the arrows are falling into different places. The team he's talked about looks like they had fires in them actually. So, yeah. Again, another ladder there leading to nowhere. So yeah guys, it's a good explore. There you go. Number 4, turn right and duck 4. So maybe with it going up from like 2, 3, 4, maybe that's their access point. So maybe, you know, they might have different access points depending on how many might be down here. So there might be certain teams, like group of 4, group of 5. Oh, what are these?
that's it, that's it.
Yeah. And yeah, it's faster here guys. Looks like it's coming through the only place it could be, which is being the ladder. Got all these here.
5.
Pardon? Number 5. Yeah. We've got these drawings on the wall, I'm not sure what they could be. Maybe is it part of the, there you go. Turn right and duck 5. But maybe these drawings on walls could actually be maybe the people who stayed underground, or don't know. Could be one of many things. So, as I say, there'll be some history in the description. More buckets.
So we have this. Portraits.
Portraits, yeah. Pardon?
No, across. We've walked past them.
There you go, some other little objects. So yeah, it's cool. It is good in here, guys. What's this say?
Yeah, yeah. Follow the wall past them.
Oh yeah, turn right 5. Yeah, so I've just been told we turned, we came up here and went down there. But yeah, if you look at these, I mean, the people who do these must have some serious art skills. I mean, what does it look? It looks like it's, I don't know, it looks like it's choked on them. What does that say there? I'm not sure. I think these might be some names actually. Maybe. Not sure. Could be something. What's that say? DW. That says ULF. So maybe are these initials of the people who actually wrote these. And that looks like a footprint, I think, for. Yeah. So
Oh, I need to take the seat.
is that a seat over there?
Chilling.
Chilling.
Sweating.
It is warm down here, guys. Yeah. The people who've done these have got some serious art skills. I mean, look at that. As I say, guys, this could be the people who stay down here, and or the people who might have, I don't know if built, but there's definitely some history behind these pictures. Because there's 4 pictures there. Sorry, not 4 pictures. There's 4 sketches there. Oh, and another one here. The initial on that is SD9, 6, SD6. So yeah, definitely got some good history behind this. 100%. Wow. Oh, there's more here. That one's very detailed.
My lights down. I didn't charge this, I told you.
Did you know?
I've got more anyway, I've got other lights.
Oh, there you go. FMF. So these look very like back in the olden days actually, so yeah. MB. So yeah. And not much, there's writing on the roof, but, or could be damp. But yeah. Just show you guys walking slowly.
Just keep going around the corner, man. Just want to get a photo.
Yeah.
Keep going down. Okay, for me.
Yeah. And as you can see, guys, we keep seeing these green arrows. So whether or not that's arrows to the entrance, I'm not sure. So yeah, but yeah, look at these. I can't get over it, you guys. They look brilliant. Yeah. So yeah. There's going to be some pictures of these on the Facebook page, which I'll link down below in the description, along with Explore with Shano's Facebook and YouTube.
I am sweating. It is warm down here.
So yeah, it's been your boy Phantom Explorer. Thank you guys for watching, and as I say, don't forget to go and show Explore with Shano some love.
Bye guys.
And we'll see you in the next Explore. Thanks for watching, guys.